Okay, so today we are gonna cook. Hi guys, Sonia here. Today we're gonna go back to our roots and cooking chicken foot soup with I found cassava flour. At times when we went yesterday to get chicken foot and stuff, and dashin, which they call taro here. Taro, right? Yeah. Cassava flour they say is good. All organic, gluten free, and you find taro. Taro.
Taro.
Taro. Taro.
What do you call it?
Dashin.
Okay.
So in Jamaica they call it dashin. Here they call it taro.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And they also make poi out of it. Yeah. So now we're going back to our chicken foot. So we're gonna wash our chicken foot probably with lemon juice, and we're gonna cut off the toes. So cozy. I'm gonna just put them like this.
What are you doing now?
I'm just cutting them in between.
Why?
Just so they, I don't know, I just cut them like this. That's just me. And if nobody ever cut them like that, but I cut them. Instead of cut them other thing, just cut them.
Cut them in half? Oh, not all the way, but and why do you do that?
Why? They just fall apart. I don't tell me a Korean do that thing.
Cool. Tell them what you're doing, dear.
I'm cutting the pumpkin. As well as they call this kabosha here. As well. And I call this pumpkin like what we call in Jamaica, then say kabosha. Right, Ty? That's what the Japanese people said.
I think it's kabocha squash, yeah. I think we're gonna need a bigger knife.
Maybe not that. I don't think these are tough skins. Now putting the pumpkin in the pot. Good. Oh, this one here. I'm just stirring the pot. I'm taking off all these spots. I'm just trying to. So it boiled over on that, so I got to change it to because I got the pot and it come over. Anyway, I'm trying to mash this pumpkin out because it's not as yellow as I wanted. I'm just mashing them out so they get color. That's a certain yellow color thing. It's supposed to boil out instead of me mashing it. You know? It's supposed to boil out. Like boil till it mash. Instead of me mashing it, but I need to go, so I gotta do this. Yes, I need to go, so I gotta do this so that it can process can go faster. Because I need to go to work sometimes, so I gotta mash the pumpkin out. So it speed up my process a little bit faster. And maybe this scissors. I got this legit kind of not here. How much flour do we want? That's good. Mix with water. So we're gonna mix away now. So we're gonna start salt. And then I make cassava. I make cassava flour, but the only way I make cassava flour is with flour. Make it with flour, grate cassava and then put flour in it and make it. I never nobody have cassava flour like this. Stay together still. They're still in one piece. They still tuck together, or they fall apart. Something. Cassava flour. I make cassava bami.
What's that?
Bami is what they fry. No, you watch a lady with
It's a great story, dear.
you watch the lady that was in the show with Zen making the cassava.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what they make bami. That's what they call bami. She grated the cassava and then I don't know if she squeezed it out or what she about. I know you have to grate the cassava first, and then after you grate it, you gotta wring out the starch out of it. Well, that's what my mom does. So I don't know if that's what they do, but that's what my mom do, and then she make the cassava bami. But I never make cassava flour in my life. I make other flour, but not cassava. I make regular flour, not cassava flour. This is my first time making. Oh, I make almond flour before. Almond dumpling here.
Really?
No. But we will see how these one turn out today. I guess. No, because there's nothing in the pot. It's just that I'm just trying stuff. Okay, my cassava flours is done making. Although there are some of them. There's a yeah.
You want to show them how you try things?
They know what try things. Video on.
Which one?
You know what?
I don't know about that. Hold on.
It's not just salt here. It's just
This is how I. Here we go. Yes, no
not
burnt
over the
hand.
pot though, 'cause
No
it's
burnt
not
hand.
just stuff over pot.
Oh, of course. Tastes like kombucha.
Now we're corn so cut it. Is this even? Does it even matter? Cause somebody over here put the corn in the freezer. Oh, tough am I?
Your head or your hands?
Hands. My head. You're rude. Get away from here. It are your honey. Oh man, men, when you live with them, it's so hard to live with them. It's so hard. Holy shit. Hi. This is gonna be a thick soup. How's it gonna now? In my life, sitting outside the floor. And I cook them in soup, but today is a different day. It's a different style. It's a different, all different everything. Almost done cook, don't worry. After this go in, then I season the pot and then call it good. After the seasoning put in it, but I don't even know what kind of seasoning I'm putting on this pot. Salt, pepper, all purple. Not purple seasoning. Not in the chicken seasoning. Something about Jamaican jerk seasoning. Not that jerk seasoning. The good old Jamaican jerk seasoning. Put this in already.
I just gotta make sure it's not poisonous, yeah?
It's not poisonous, tired. Don't say that. On camera. You buy food I store in the most of the poison food.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
A joke, dude. Mind your fingers. Dunks. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Teamwork. Okay, this was supposed to be a long time. This was supposed to be with the pumpkin. My cooking skill is different from many people.
Mm-hmm.
My cooking is different. Okay, I'm sorry. Sometimes.
Okay, just so you're aware, there goes Sonia throwing in a habanero. Mm-hmm. That is not a carrot, people. Don't be mistaken.
Just so you know, people, I'm not just I just cook food and make sure it tastes good. I have good taste to it. I'm not a cook, nor a chef. I just cook. Make sure stuff tastes and flavor. I love flavor and taste the food. Right, Ty? You love flavor and taste the food, don't you?
Oh, you definitely love flavor.
Yeah, the flavory food, not taste bad food. Like taste bad food. If I cook and not taste good, I'm like, oh, that's not good. That's taste awful. My squeezing technique now work. You want more of this?
No, that's fine.
It's gonna cook out anyway, so whatever. It's good to have a lot of seasoning in your food. Here's the sweet pepper. Here's the sweet pepper. Whatever these people sing, don't know sometimes. No okra. No nothing to put in this, but it's gonna work. Whatever you put in it. Oh, never mind. Fast. Time to go to work. It's time to leave. Time to go. Okay, here goes my seasoning, my scallion and sweet pepper, green and red sweet pepper. Hope I don't spoil my food. I'm gonna try clean up this one. clean while we go. Salt.
Yes.
Little bit of this, just that, a tap. I'm gonna go with my flavor. That one minimum about. I ain't going Tyler flavor. Flavor is not good. I'm going with my stuff that I know about. I put some Jamaican thing in it. What else I'm looking for? Okay, we'll put this, try this and this and see how it tastes, how it come out, and I hope it come out really good and not bad tasting. Cause we don't have no Jamaican whatever to put in this thing, only pimento seed from Jamaica. That's the good old Jamaican pimento seed. That's from Jamaica. That's what I know. And a little bit of this, and a little bit of that, and a little bit of this, and a little bit of that, and a little bit of this, and a little bit of that, and a little bit of this, and a little twelve of this. Okay. And a little twelve of this. Did I put black pepper in there already? A little twelve of this. You know what this is?
Nope.
Finger licking spice blend. I don't know why is it chicken. I didn't even say soup. It's okay. It's still going. It has other flavor to it. And we are stirring our pot. It's pretty. It's yellow. Potato dumpling, they stand out firm and nice. And then we are going to taste, although it's not going to be nice properly, but fresh. Tastes good though. Fresh. So, okay, we are going to put a little bit of salt, Italian seasoning, just a little tip, a little twep, and then we should call Javier and ask him if he wants some soup and Kimi. Say, Kimi, soup time, you want to come over for some soup? Say, Kimi, soup. No, Kimi not going to. Kimi will say, chicken foot? Yeah. I don't want chicken foot, sir. I'm just kidding, she not going to say that. She will eat it. She love my cooking. Okay, Ty, let's taste and see what this tastes like, and then it's missing something. What the heck is this thing missing? Salt. This salt make the flavor go up. Okay, let's see if this will get dinner, Lord, whatever is Lord. Are you not put whatever on one now? Why are you doing it? Crazy.
What was that?
What?
We didn't see the happy dance.
Happy dance?
Yeah.
I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Happy dance. Happy dance. Happy dance. Happy dance.
You got the chicken foot spirit.
Yeah.
Anyway, enjoy the soup.
Here we go, dear.
What? I don't have to put it in my hand middle?
No, I get a spoon because you're not tough like me.
That's true.
So now you can't taste it and tell me what.
Okay, I gotta blow on it. Because it's hot.
Still fresh.
A little fresh, but it's good.
And
What was that?
huh?
What did you say?
That's my pumpkin, chicken foot, and corn and cassava dumpling soup. Cassava dumpling that I never made before, but it's supposed to be interesting. It's gluten free, so it's good for you, right? Yeah, it's supposed to be healthy, as they say, on the pot. So
Let's eat.
here you go. That's my soup, and I hope it's nice and we'll enjoy it. And bye, guys. Thank you for dinner.
Thank you for dinner. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed Sonia's. What did you call it again?
Sonia Sonia pumpkin soup with chicken foot and cassava dumpling. Right?
Sonia's pumpkin.
Chicken foot soup with cassava dumpling.
All right,
And
let's eat.
Taro.
Oh boy.
Taro?
Dashin.
Dashin.
Yes.
Which I call
Taro.
taro here. Okay. Dashin.
All right, sorry
is
guys.
American thing.
We're gonna eat.
Okay.
Enjoy. Try it
Bye.
out. Thanks, dear.
Thank you. Keep it fresh.
I'll go for the salt.
Yes.